If you're looking for a simple, compact coffee maker that gets the job done without extra complexity or high cost, this might be exactly what you need. Today, we're reviewing the Amazon Basics 5-cup drip coffee maker with glass coffee pot. It's small, straightforward, and designed for everyday coffee drinkers who just want a quick fresh brew. Let's see if it's worth it. The Amazon Basics 5-cup drip coffee maker is a compact coffee machine designed for small households, offices, or personal use. With basic brewing features, auto shut-off, and a removable filter basket, it focuses on simplicity and convenience. Compact 5-cup capacity. Perfect for individuals or small households, this coffee maker brews just the right amount without wasting coffee. Glass coffee pot with easy pour design. The included glass carafe allows you to easily monitor coffee levels and pour without mess. Auto shut-off safety feature. Automatically turns off after brewing, helping improve safety and energy efficiency. Auto pause and serve function. Lets you pause the brewing cycle and pour a cup before the full pot is finished. Removable filter basket. The filter basket is easy to remove and clean, making daily maintenance quick and simple. Compact size is ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or offices. Very easy to use with minimal setup or learning curve. Auto shut-off adds safety and energy-saving convenience. Limited 5-cup capacity not suitable for large families or gatherings. Basic features compared to more advanced programmable coffee makers. The Amazon Basics 5-cup drip coffee maker is a great choice for anyone who wants a simple, affordable, and compact coffee solution. It focuses on essential features without unnecessary complexity, making it ideal for everyday personal use. If you're ready for a simple and reliable way to enjoy fresh coffee every morning, check the latest price using the product link in the description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more coffee maker reviews, home gadgets, and budget-friendly product recommendations. Thanks for watching.